Hi friends, I'll show you how to create a color splash image through PicsArt. First, we have to select cutout tool and we are gonna remove background from this image, which is we are going to select that subject. Removing the background is almost done and we are going to just perfecting that sides of the subject, which means we are removing this background perfectly. Then we are going to save this picture. It will be automatically saved to stickers. We are going to save the picture. Now we are going to select this drawing tool and we are going to add white background on this image. You can see how it is taking. Then we are adding saved sticker on this background, white background. Before we have saved, right? From cutouts we are going to select that sticker and we are going to apply on this white background. Now let's go to crop this image. It's not necessary. If anyone needs, I'm just doing for the perfection, okay? It's not necessary. Crop this picture. Now we are going to select the effect. From the effect we are going to select sketcher 1 option. Sketcher 1 is there and we have to do increase the mask 1 ratio to 100. There will be one option mark 1. We have to do increase ratio to 100. Again we are going to take a draw tool. It's actually giving the black shade for this picture. We can find some white shade on this picture, so we have to use that draw tool all the white shade places except our face, I mean except this image subject face, so it will be going to perfect for the after result. So now we are doing that doing white shade. Except face, where all are the white shades came, we are applying that black shade through drawing tool, okay? Don't apply in face. Let's save this picture. There we are going to select color splash image. We can download from Google. Actually I have downloaded this color splash image from Google. There will be more options there. You can choose your own liked one and we are adjusting this color splash image on our photo, our image, which one is correctly actual. Will adjust the color splash. Now we are going to remove the unwanted colors downside there, right? It's not necessary, but for perfection I'm just removing those black color. so we will get the exact color splash image. It's not necessary for whoever want that one, you all can keep that, but it's not necessary. I just removing that, and our final picture is ready. Now we can save this image. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.